The Spectrum E3 error means your cable box is experiencing signal loss or tuning failure, disrupting your TV service. This is usually due to a disruption in the signal path between Spectrum's source and your cable box. First, perform a simple power cycle. Unplug your cable box from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. While it restarts, visually inspect all coaxial cable connections from the wall to your cable box, ensuring they are tightly screwed in and undamaged. Check Spectrum's app for outages in your area and use its AI chatbot for guided troubleshooting. Since 2025, Spectrum has been rolling out self-healing features and AI-driven diagnostics. If the power cycle and connection checks don't resolve the E3 error, proceed to more advanced troubleshooting. If basic troubleshooting fails, ensure your cable box firmware is up to date. Check the Spectrum app for update options, as outdated firmware can cause tuning issues. Note that electromagnetic interference from devices like smart home tech can also disrupt signals, particularly in urban environments. In these situations, consider requesting an EMI shielding kit from Spectrum to isolate the cable box. If the problem persists, contact Spectrum support for assistance. Their diagnostics can pinpoint issues like amplifier failures or upstream signal degradation. The future aims to eliminate E3 with ongoing trends like Spectrum integrating remote reboots via the Spectrum One app. The rise of 5G and Wi-Fi 7 is reducing reliance on coaxial lines, potentially phasing out E3 as cable boxes transition to IP-based streaming. Cable boxes are transitioning to IP-based streaming, which should eliminate traditional tuning errors. Spectrum is investing in edge computing and AI-powered predictive maintenance, which promises fewer service interruptions in the coming years.